Did Microsoft just make millions of PCs obsolete? Because the upcoming Windows 11 26 H2 update is quite introducing something completely new, an AI hardware baseline. According to the latest insider builds and telemetry data, the requirements might jump much higher than what you have today. That means many PCs that run Windows 11 today might struggle or even fail to upgrade. So in this video, I'll show you the new predicted requirements, why 8 gigs of RAM might finally be dead, and the one AI chip Microsoft may require for future features. Let's get into it. Windows is changing. Microsoft is no longer just building an operating system. They're building an AI operating system. That's why the company launched Copilot PCs, which includes special AI hardware called an NPU, Neural Processing Unit. This should process AI tasks locally on a PC, and according to the recent insider build data, Windows 11 26 H2 is expected to rely much more heavily on this hardware, meaning the future of Windows may depend on AI acceleration. Right now, the official minimum requirements for Windows 11 is 4 gigs of RAM, but realistically, most users need 8 gigs of RAM. However, insider testing shows that new AI services like local Copilot models, real-time translation, recall features, AI-powered search consume significantly more memory. Because of that, analysts believe Windows 11 26 H2 could move to a new baseline of 16 gigs of RAM for full AI features. The OS might still run on 8 gigs, but many AI features could simply be disabled. Another important change in storage. Microsoft's already started moving away from the hard drives and system drive. The new expected baseline is 128 gigs SSD minimum. This is mainly because AI indexing, recall snapshot, and system caching requires fast storage speed. So if a PC still boots from the traditional HDD, upgrading to an SSD will likely become essential. Now let's talk about processor. Windows 11 already requires 8th-gen Intel or Ryzen 2000 CPUs, unless you need a bypass. But newer insider builds suggest Microsoft is closing some of those loopholes. Specifically, systems without modern instruction sets like AVX2 may face hard blocks in future updates. That means PCs running Windows 11 on unsupported hardware today may struggle when 26H officially launches. The biggest shift coming to Windows is the NPU requirement. An NPU is designed to process AI workloads locally instead of the cloud. Microsoft recommends 40 TOPS of AI performance for the next generation of Windows AI features. Without it, many features such as advanced recall, real-time AI translation, AI image generation, system-wide Copilot automation may not be available. So your PC will still run Windows, but you might miss on a large portion of the AI experience. But before you panic, this doesn't necessarily mean you must buy a new PC immediately. Windows 11 26 H2 will likely still run on many current systems. But if you're planning to upgrade in the future, you should look for 16 gigs of RAM, SSD storage, modern CPU with AI acceleration or NPU. These systems will be ready for next generation of Windows AI features. Now I want to hear from you. Do you think Microsoft is pushing AI hardware too aggressively, or this is the future of computing? Comment below and let me know. And if you enjoy Windows Insider updates, hidden features, and tech news, make sure to subscribe to Sudama Lab, because I used to test the Windows 11 Insider builds, Windows 11 26 H2, Windows 11 27 H2 builds as soon as they arrive. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.